welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious Fettuccine Alfredo. This happens to be my kid's favorite dish and I'm just excited to share it with you guys. So in case you guys want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 1 pound of fettuccine, 1 cup of chicken breast, 5 minced garlic cloves, and here I divided them. We're going to need 2 for our chicken and 3 for our sauce, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 11 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese. You're going to need Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Now these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so in a large pot I'm going to bring some water to boil. I'm going to add some salt. And we're just gonna wait for that to come to a boil. And while that's happening, we're going to start prepping our chicken. Alrighty guys, so here I already washed my chicken. So now I'm just gonna clean it and cut them into strips. Because I'm very picky with my chicken, I like to make sure that I take everything out. Like all that. So we're just gonna cut them into the small strips like that. Alright guys, so in a small pan, I'm going to add my butter. Just gonna wait for that to melt. Alright, so once your butter is melted, we're going to add our 2 minced garlic. And we're just gonna leave it in here for like about a minute. Alright guys, so it's been about a minute that our minced garlic cloves were with our butter, so now I'm just gonna add my chicken. And we're going to season our chicken with salt. So the salt depends on how much you want to use. Some pepper. And some Italian seasoning. Alright guys, so our chicken is now cooked. So we're just gonna turn it off. And I'm going to drain all the juices from the chicken so we can use that for our sauce. Alright guys, so my water is now boiling, so I'm going to add my fettuccine and just cook them depending, on your packaging. This one says for 12-13 minutes, so that's what I'm going to cook them for. So we're just gonna let them cook and now we can start working on our sauce. Alright guys, so in a saucepan, we're going to put in medium heat and we're going to add our butter. So we're going to wait for that to melt. So once that's melted, we're going to add our 3 minced garlic cloves. So we're just going to mix it in there and just probably wait 30 seconds. And then we can add our cream cheese and the rest of our ingredients. The chicken broth that we took from our chicken. The 2 cups of the whipping cream. And our cream cheese. And we're just gonna whisk it until our cream cheese melts. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to add my salt. About 1 teaspoon. Our pepper. And our Italian seasoning. And just continue to whisk until it's smooth. Alright guys, so once everything is smooth and your cream cheese has melted, we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna mix that and then just wait for it to thicken up a little, and then we're gonna let it simmer. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna let our sauce simmer and then just wait for about 3 to 5 minutes just so we can allow our sauce to thicken up. Alright guys, so it's been 12 minutes. My fettuccine is done, so I'm just going to turn off my stove and then drain it, and then after that we can just put everything together and will be done. Alright guys, so our sauce has been simmering for about 5 minutes now. So this is what it looks like now. So I'm just going to turn it off. And now we can just mix everything together and our super easy and delicious fettuccine will be done. Okay, so in the same pot that I boiled my fettuccine, I'm going to toss it back. And I'm going to also put the chicken in my sauce. So the sauce is ready. So let me just... So I'm going to add the sauce. And I'm going to add my chicken. So now I'm just gonna mix it all together, and I'm also going to add my parsley. Okay guys, so just toss it around, and then that's basically it. This is your easy and delicious fettuccine Alfredo. It is now ready to be served. And there you have it, you guys. Now for the best part, the taste test. Got my chicken. Super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video. And as always, if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and just comment down below your thoughts. And yeah, I enjoy reading your comments. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.